Hello and welcome to the best bug bounty course. And if you have ever been curious why Google and Facebook like companies pay hackers to find vulnerabilities and bugs in it, you are at the right place. If you want to earn like those hackers who are getting paid by Google, Facebook and big multinational companies, I'm going to teach you everything that you need, how you can legally hack and earn real money. In this course, we will take you from the level 0 of ethical hacking to the master level of bug bounty hunting. You will find real world web vulnerabilities that exist and we are going to hack all of those, just like a professional bug bounty hunter do. I'm your instructor for this course. My name is Suyash. I'm co-founder and lead instructor at Odnix and I'm going to be your instructor. And this course is going to be a complete hands-on. That means you are going to do practicals on real-world web applications, live labs, applications, real targets legally and safely. You will learn how to think like a hacker, how to act like a hacker, and how to perform attacks like a hacker. Now, enough introduction, let's get our hands on the course outline. So very first, we are going to set up your virtual hacking lab, and in the hacking lab, you will set up your Kali Linux virtual machine and the target machine that will create a safe environment around you to hack real world applications. After we set up our virtual machines and set up our hacking lab, we are going to move on website enumeration and information gathering. This part is very crucial for gathering information about our target, and in the enumeration we are going to actively look into the website if they are vulnerable or not. Then we are going to introduce Burp Suite to you. We are going to teach you each and everything about Burp Suite, from setup to intruder to repeater, and how you can perform everything inside Burp Suite, and you will master Burp Suite from that section. After we master the Burp Suite, we are going to look into HTML injection vulnerability. This vulnerability exists on the web page and we are going to look into how we can hack website using this injection. Then we are going to look into command injection vulnerability and how we can hack a website if it has command injection. Then we are going to look into broken authentication, in which we are going to steal cookies, we are going to steal session IDs, and we are going to exploit if a vulnerability has some authentication flaws. Then we are going to look into brute force attacks using Burp Suite, and after we complete our brute force attack, we are going to look into broken access control. In the broken access control, we are going to get access to user accounts, to admin accounts, and many more things. And after we complete this, we are going to get our hands on to one of the most crucial vulnerabilities, that is cross-site scripting attack, in which we use JavaScript, and in that we will learn how a website with cross-site scripting vulnerability can be hacked. And after that, we are going to move on to the most dangerous vulnerability, that is SQL injection, and you might have heard of that vulnerability a lot, and we are going to take a look at how we can hack a website that has that vulnerability, and we are going to extract each and everything from the database of that website using this SQL injection. And after we complete SQL injection, we are going to look into a simple yet strong vulnerability, that is XML injection or XML path. And after that, you will become a professional bug bounty hunter. So that is it for the introduction. Let's move on to the course.